Hi friends, welcome to Wow Galata. As my mother has decided to celebrate Children's Day in different places and different ways, so in that way today is the first celebration and surprise for us. She is doing arrangements, see there, in our apartment. So every childrens are enjoying. So let's start the celebration in few minutes and I'm very excited today. Are you also excited? Then give a big huge thumbs up for this video. And if you're getting school memories and you're recalling that, then give your memories and feedback in the comments and share to your family and friends. Subscribe to our channel Wow Galata. Come, let's go into the video.
The first Children's Day celebration started already. So we started with coloring and drawing competition. So let's see what is next.
Grade 3A. I am studying in Gangotri School International Public. Today I am going to say a shloka. Sri Rama Rama Rameti Rame Rama Manorame Sahasra Nama Tatulyam Rama Nama Varaname. Thank you.
This is just a sample celebration on the day one, that is at our apartment. So we conducted various activities like coloring, drawing and running race, talent show and pick and speak, so many. So the next day is also a mega show, that is on 13th November 2020. So we conducted a very nice activity at Ashrama, that is Kalpa Raksha Ashrama, which is in Mahalakshmi layout. So with the help of Shri Ramachandra sir, so who is the secretary of Lions Club Bangalore capital, so who supported me and motivated me to celebrate Children's Day, same type of Children's Day celebration at Kalpa Raksha Ashrama. And there also we conducted many activities such as coloring and drawing activity and also some talent show, like they told some stories and tables, recitation and even some songs also. So we enjoyed very nicely and it was a wonderful memory, because every time as a teacher I used to celebrate with my school children. That is a regular one. So this year I missed my school children, of course, but through this celebration I met so many children at one ashrama. So I felt very happy and very thankful to our sir, that is Ramachandra sir. So thank you very much, sir. So just watch this video also and let me meet you again. November 1889 ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಸರಿನಾ ಸರ್. ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಮಕ್ಕಳ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ, ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬವನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಅರ್ಪಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಜವಾಹರ್ಲಾಲ್ ನೆಹರು ಅವರನ್ನ ಫೋಟೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದೀರಾ ನೀವು? ನೋ ವರೀಸ್. ಸೊ ಇವರು ಭಾವಚಿತ್ರ, ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಭಾವಚಿತ್ರ, ಇವರದು ನೆಹರು ಅವರ ಭಾವಚಿತ್ರ. ಸೊ ಇವರ ಒಂದು ಬರ್ತಡೆಯನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಆರಂಭ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿದಂಗೆ ಕಲರಿಂಗ್ ಅಥವಾ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ತುಂಬಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರನೇ ನಾನು ಕಲರಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದವರೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಐಡಿಯಾಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಏನ್ ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬೇಕಷ್ಟು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು
ಪ್ಯಾಡ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ? ಪ್ಯಾಡ್ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡು
ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರಾಗಿ
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಪ್ಯಾಡ್ ತಂದ್ಬಿಡಿ.
ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರಾಗಿ ಬೇರೆ ತರ ಈಗ ಓಕೆನಾ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಡಿನಾ ಬಿಗ್ ಎ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಎ ಬಿಗ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಬಿ ಬಿಗ್ ಸಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಸಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಸರ್ ನಾ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಬಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಬಿಗ್ ಎ ಬಿಗ್ ಎ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಎ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಬಿ
Small b,
Ah.
big C, small c, big D, small d,
ಡಿ
big E, small e, big F, small f.
ಅದು ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಫ್ಲಾಸ್ಕ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾ ಟೀನ ಅಥವಾ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರ
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ
ಅದು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ
ನಿಮಿಷ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಾಂ
Big C, big G, big small g, big H, small x, big I, big I,
ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ ಹಾಂ
big I, small I, big J, small j,
ಬಿಗ್ ಕೆ
big K, small k, big L, small l, big M, small m, big N, small n,
ತಲೆಗೆತ್ತು
big O, small o,
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಹಾಂ
big P, small p, big Q,
ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಅವ್ನು ಯಾವ ಲೆಟರ್ ಇದೆ ಅವ್ನು ಯಾವ ಲೆಟರ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಏನಾ ನೀವು ಅವಾಗ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ ನಾನು ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ
big R, small r,
ಹಾಂ ಪಿ ಕ್ಯೂ ಆರ್ ಹಾಂ
big S, small s, big T, small t, big U, small u, big V, small v, big W, small w, big X, small x, big Y, small y, big Z, small z.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಒನ್ ಟೂ ತ್ರೀ ಫೋರ್ ಫೈವ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಕಾಗುಂಟು ಬರ್ತಾ ಖಾ ಥಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಖಾ ಹೇಳೋಣ ಖಾ ಕೊಂಬು ಉಪ್ಪು ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಖಾ ಕೊಂಬಿನಿಳಿಕು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿತ್ತು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡು ಖಾ ಕೊಂಬುನ ಖಾ ಕೊಂಬಿನಿಳಿಕು ಆಯ್ತು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಂಬಿನಿಳಿ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಂಬಿನಿಳಿ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕಾ ಒಟ್ರು ಸುಳಿ ಒಟ್ರೆ ಸುಳಿಕ್ರು ದೀರ್ಘ ಖೇ ಕಾಯಿಸ್ವ ಓತ್ವ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ನೀನು ಹೇಳಿ 8 ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಬಾಯ್ ನೀನು ಹಾಂ ಹೇಳು ಅವನಿಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ ನೀವು ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಕಾ ಓತ್ವಾ ಕೋ ಹಾಂ ಓತಿನ ದೀರ್ಘ ಕೋ ಕಾಗೆಡ್ಸೋನೆ ಕಹ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ Friends, I think you have enjoyed our activities which was conducted by me at two different places, that is in our apartment and also in Kalpa Raksha Ashrama through the help of Lions Club members and also through Sri Ramachandra sir. And thank you very much those who have sponsored, that is Lions Club especially, to conduct all these activities, and also Garuda Enclave friends. So thank you very much. So let me take a feedback from my children now.
So every year Children's Day I celebrate, and we celebrate in school only. Especially we say enjoy in school. But this year I miss my friends and miss my school celebration. But this year it's some different celebration for Children's Day. I enjoyed a lot, and I got new friends from that ashrama, Kalparaksha Ashrama, and it was nice. And thanks for Lions Club members and Ramchandra sir.
Apuni, thank you.
Thank you,
Even
everyone.
I enjoyed.
I enjoyed.
I got a very good exposure.
I got a very good exposure.
Okay. So anybody who are willing to sponsor and to donate anything, you can also donate to this Kalpa Raksha Ashrama, which is near Mahalakshmipuram, that is Mahalakshmi layout, near Chaitanya E-Techno School. And you can just contact, or you can just comment like if you want to contact. If you want to donate anything, you can just comment in this comment box also. So it will be a very great help for them also. So thank you very much watching till this end. And also one more mega Children's Day celebration is also there after Deepavali festival at our mom's house. So don't miss that. Thank you everyone. Bye.
Bye. Just like, share and comment
To
Wow Galata. Watch the one more surprise. I was so happy and so excited also.
That is mega show actually.
Yeah, I'm so happy and waiting for that day. And Diwali video is also there. That is also very
Now I have a work now.
surprising.
Bye now.
Bye.
Bye.